Hey everyone, welcome back to useNfix where we'll be showing you another tutorial video on the topic how to disable leaderboards on Duolingo. If you're having trouble with disabling your leaderboard on Duolingo, you are not alone. This issue is more common than you might think. But don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it. So let's get started. Go ahead and open Duolingo, and now on the bottom of your phone you'll see a lot of options there. So now you'll have to go ahead and click on the middle option, which you'll see a type of face, and then on the bottom right of your phone you'll see the option of settings. So click on the option of settings. Now you'll see the option of account and you'll see a lot of options there, but now you have to go and click on the option of notifications and then click on the option of leaderboards, and then you'll see a small blue option of mobile phone looking like square thing. So you have to go ahead and click over there, and this is how you can disable your leaderboards on Duolingo. And there you go, this is how you can do it. If this video helped you, consider a thumbs up, and if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.